7th grade social studies. Welcome back to Module 6. And guys, I'm so excited this week because I think you have some really cool assignments that I think you're really going to like. So let's start with taking a look at the pacing guide. Okay, so pacing guide for this week. Preview Module 6, watch the video lesson, you're doing that now. Continue working on your connect or protect recommendation assignment. So that's the one from last week where in VC we talked about the Great Wall versus the Silk Road. Then we talked about what do we think, which one is better for China to build, and then your assignment is to make a recommendation based on that. So that was after VC last week, but I've moved it into this week. And you'll just click on it as before. It's not a new assignment. If you've already done it, you don't have to do it again. It's still the same assignment, but it's not due until this module is due. So you have this week to work on that if you have not already. On Wednesday, complete the thing link about Chinese beliefs and answer the questions about it. Thursday, you have an application assignment, and I'll show you that when we go to the module. But application assignment means that this is a really important one where you're bringing all your pieces together and this is how you're showing your knowledge. So it's really important that you make sure to do these application assignments. That one is about 4 ways of thought. Friday, you'll come to class and then you'll complete the Carmen Sandiego Genghis Khan assignment. I'll show that to you. Monday, we don't have school. That's President's Day. So no school for you. And Tuesday, no school because it's a non-contact day, so no VCs. And that is when your assignments will be due for this week. So everything will be due Wednesday, the 17th, 11:59 p.m. Okay, so everything's pushed back quite a bit from usual. Okay, and then your new module will open on Wednesday as well. Okay, all right, let's take a look at this, at the checklist as well. I'll go through these things for you, but just make sure if, as you're going through your assignments for the week, make sure to take a look at this and just quick check and make sure you're doing all of the different steps to make sure you get good grades. Hey, let's look at the module 6. Okay, you're watching the video, you started here, pacing guide and checklist. Then here's the first assignment is the 4 belief systems. Let me find it up here. Here we go. Okay, when you get into this, it's a thing link, which means that it's just this really cool interactive page. So you'll click play here, and then there will be places for you to click to watch videos or read articles. There's 4 different places because we're talking about 4 different belief systems. So look through all of those, watch those, read those. Thing link also will read them to you if you click the little reading button, so you can do that as well. But then make sure to come back to this assignment and answer questions down here, then submit. Okay, and then you'll submit the course. Okay, all right, back to the course module. Once you've done that, then you have an optional assignment. And it is optional, but I encourage you to do it because it's a lot of fun, especially if you're sort of a hands-on person and you really want to get some arts and crafty energy out. This is a really good way to do it. So you're going to take everything that you learned about the 4 belief systems and make something out of it. You can do this all online if you want, or all on your computer if you want, or you can print these out and color them by hand and then take a picture and submit that. So here's an example for you to look at, and here are the instructions. Okay, so these are the instructions. You'll get a background you can print out, and then the philosophers are all here. Sorry, this is a little hard to see. I just noticed. Okay. Philosophers are here, so you'll choose one of these philosophers, or you can do all 3 if you want to. Color them in and then place them on the background. Place them on their background, and then screenshot or take a picture of your final product and upload that to me for your assignment. Okay, so just a good way to bring everything together that you've been learning about the belief systems. The next is the application assignment. So 6.4, I want you to make sure to pay attention to that. Here's the application assignment. When you go into this one, this is a really great slide deck for you to go through and interact with. What you'll do when you pull this up is click here to make your own copy of the slide deck. And then click through the slide deck. So you're taking one modern problem. Oh, and this is going to start talking. There's a video instructions over here, so make sure to watch that. I'm just barely going to give you a little bit, and this is more detailed. So you'll choose one modern issue in the world that interests you. Click here, and it'll take you to more information about that issue. So you'll learn about that issue. And see if it'll come up for you guys here. Okay, so it'll give you an overview. It'll give you some information about it. So there's our overview of clean energy. Okay. And then you'll go back into, so let's just go through overview, fast facts about that issue, and this one's having a little trouble, and then why it's important. Okay, so once you've chosen your issue, you've read about it, you'll go back to your slide deck and your job is to choose one of the 4 belief systems that you learned about in the assignment before this and think about how they would address that issue, that world issue, how they would solve it. Here's an example, so make sure to read through this example. It says sample, right? Sample, so this is a one for you to follow, an example for you to follow. And then here is for you to do your own. So you're going to summarize the problem here and then talk about your solution based on one of the 4 belief systems over here. Okay. Okay, and then you'll submit that. Then your last assignment for this week is Carmen Sandiego and Genghis Khan. If you don't know much about Carmen Sandiego, it was a really old video game when I was a kid. And then it was a cartoon back in the 90s, and now it's a new cartoon. So if you don't know anything about that, that's fine. There's lots of information to explain to you. You just watch this short trailer here. But basically what you get to do here is click to see the assignment here, and it'll take you to Google Earth, and you get to click around in Google Earth and learn about different artifacts from around the world that Carmen Sandiego is trying to find and put back. And you'll click through that and then come back to here and answer these questions and submit your quiz. And that is all for this week. Let's go back to the module. That is all for this week, but enjoy it, guys. It's really interactive. It's really interesting and fun. If you have any questions, stop and see me. And please don't forget to finish the assignment from last week about the Connect or Protect assignment. Thanks. See you guys later.